As student of class, we are going to understand about different concepts of sociology like accommodation, assimilation, social group. These meanings are asked in exams for KCET exam or first year PU students also. So let's start our class. Understand about the meanings of these concepts. The first is here I take accommodation. Meaning of accommodation means mutual cultural diffusions through which persons or groups come to share a common culture. And remember, mutual cultural diffusions through which persons or groups they come to share a common culture. The next is I take social group. Social group means patterns of interaction between individuals or group. The next is assimilation. The effort to monopolize rewards by eliminating or weakening the competitors is the meaning of assimilation. The next is social exclusion. Any form of social encounter between individuals is called social inclusion. The next is acculturalization. Means peaceful adjustment between hostile or competing groups is called acculturalization. The next is social interaction. Social interaction means collection of individuals who interact in systematic ways with one another. Means interaction of individuals in a systematic ways with one another is called social interaction. The next is role set. Role set means the complex of roles associated with various status of the individuals. Next is multiple roles means the conflict between two or more courses of action built in a single role. Means there is a conflict between two or more roles in a single role, means action courses of action built in a single role. It is called multiple roles. The next is role conflict. Role conflict, and we know the meaning of role conflict between this conflict between different roles of the same person, like a housewife is also a worker in a company or a employee in a company or in a factory. There is always conflict between that person between two roles. The next is role strain. Role strain means array of roles pertaining to a particular social status. The next is meaning of Jajmani system. As we know, in various sociologists study Jajmani systems, like remember the names of sociologists. William Weiser. In India we come as S.C. Dubey, K. Ishwaran and Lewis. These are the sociologists studied on Jajmani system. Its important feature, it is one of the important feature of traditional village life in India. So Jajmani system is one of the traditional it is one of the important feature of traditional village life in India. Now we know the meaning of Jajmani system means Jajmani system is a system of economic, social and ritual ties among different caste groups in a village. It is called Jajmani system. Under this system, remember, some castes are patrons and others are service castes. So that's all about Jajmani system. Remember, it is one of the traditional feature. It is one of the feature of a traditional village in India. And the sociologist who studied Jajmani system means William Weiser, S.C. Dubey, K. Ishwaran and Lewis. The next definition, the next meaning I take association. An association is a social organization purposefully created to attain specific goals is the meaning of association. So these are the concepts are important, always ask in exams. Hope you understand. Thanks for listening.